Friend, today we have the newspaper of 23rd January 2025. First news is about US brings up irregular immigrations. India says always open to return. Level of trust very high. S.J. Sankar. Recently, our external affairs minister have been in US for the swearing-in ceremony of Donald Trump. There they have communications regarding India-US relations. In India-US relation, immigrations is also a key issue because a lot of Indians went to US for working and they are still working. Second news is about STF. STF warned fallen veteran injured in gun battle with UP gang inspector die. Next news is about passengers get off after chain pulling. Passing train move down 12. Another news is UP cabinet. UP cabinet at Mahakum and the dip, holy dip taken by CM of UP has a significant impact on cultural growth of UP. As recently Mahakum has happened and it gives a tremendous opportunity of business of economic activity to the people of India, and a lot of people come to India. This give an exposure of culture of UP to the rest of the state, rest of the country, as well as world. Friend, this is a challenging activity to manage the Mahakum, but this is opportunity same time. UP cabinet meeting at Kumbh thrust on developing Prayagraj and adjoining area. Submit status update of Dhanori wetland notifications near Jewar Airport. National Green Tribunal to UP. Middle class is a victim of tax terrorism. Give them relief. Kejriwal's new poll pitch. SC delivers spilled verdict on Tahir Hassan plea for interim bail to campaign in assembly poll. This is the news from international organization, that is the Quad, and recently Quad meeting happened. Quad message to China oppose any actions to alter status quo. My dear friend, Quad is a group of four countries: India, Japan, USA, and Australia. This group was formed by the initiative of late President of Japan, or Prime Minister of Japan, Shinzo Abe. US exit from WHO will hit response to the future outbreaks. Dr. Swaminathan. As we know that the under Donald Trump, USA has no policy to be the part of WHO, and we recently faced the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's see that how much important WHO kind of organizations are in this real world. And if the US, a country like US, which is economically powerful, wealthy, are not the part of that organization, that has no, that reduce the efficiency of the working of WHO. Next positive news is about India on track to meet sustainable development health targets well ahead of 2030 government. He is the Minister of Union Minister Piyush Goyal, and he is representing the government and say that India on track to meet sustainable goal. My dear friend, sustainable, while we have a lot of, is JDU part of Manipur government? State chief letter to the government say no. Leadership sack him. UCC Uttarakhand UCC rule, no change in regulations of personal law dispute of now. DRDO conduct key screening tests in major step toward developing hypersonic missile. SC poses contempt proceeding against Punjab government officials. Farmer to hold tractor march in Punjab, Haryana on Republic Day. 2021 rape murder of tribal girls, court sentenced to 5 to death. 33 crores in reimbursement in 3 years. CAG red flags expense by the firm behind RRTS. Navy officer from Odisha goes missing on the way to Kochi unit. Delhi High Court grants Sengar 4 days for contract surgery. On way to release leopard in wild, Gujarat officials end up in Maharashtra, blame poor lightning probe launch. Discreet in NDA over UGC draft rule, JDS flag row, TDP, LJP guarded. A very different America. Trump 2.0 start with the great political capital. His deceptions may well turn to be substantial. Reform with the consent. Concern that farmers are being used as a pawn in politics must be addressed. Next is about wall of America. As Trump pushes anti-immigration agenda, there will be costs including for India and even for us. Tejasvi challenge. His formal elevations as RJD chief ministerial phase come with an arduous to-do list. Hit, don't miss. War can be weapon of mass destruction and nobody knows it better than politics. In between two Indian states, as we formally celebrated completions of 75 years of constitutional republic, we experienced two state systems, their awkward encounter. Doing business with Trump, India-US economic ties should be reviewed across sectors, trade, technology, finance. This will be require new institutional mechanism. A year on, Ayodhya tries to keep pace with the rush. Amid mysterious death, JK government ordered containment zones. BSF digs trenches along IB to trace infiltrations tunnel. 200, 2200 crore crypto scam. Kingpin Bhupesh Arora declared fugitive. Karnataka 10 killed, 5 injured. CBI moves as High Court seeking death penalty for Roy. Interministerial hurdle on possible trade policies changed by Washington. Indian oil demanded likely to hit yet another record in 2025 and 2026. Restaurants flag concern at Zomato Swiggy entry into private labeling. Dining in. Why natural experts' decisions on IWT is a win for India. French fries grown in India. This takes a special kind of potato to produce long, golden colored fries. Over the past few years, India has emerged as a major exporter of potato product thanks to the successful model of contract farming. Trump vow to hit EU. China with fresh tariffs. Beijing says open to discussion. Israel says will maintain control of Gaza, Egypt crossing in Rafah. Murdoch newspapers apologized to Prince Harry in a privacy suit. Bishop says protect migrant, uphold LGBT rights. Trump called her nasty, demand apology. A sunfish fell ill after a Japan aquarium closed. Human cutout are healing it. Abhishek turns demolition man. A new spin template for India's T20. That's from my side. See you soon. Jai.